Welcome to our guide on achieving a successful harvest with these top seedling tips. In the world of gardening, there are few sights as rewarding as a thriving vegetable patch or a vibrant flower bed bursting with color. But before the fruits of our labor can be enjoyed, we must first turn our attention to the very foundations of a healthy garden, the seedlings. These delicate beginnings hold the promise of a bountiful harvest, but only if we provide them with the care and conditions they need to flourish. Over the next few minutes, we will journey together through the crucial stages of seedling care, equipping you with the knowledge and techniques to nurture your plants from their fragile beginnings to robust maturity. From selecting the right seeds to understanding the importance of light and temperature, we'll unlock the secrets to giving your seedlings the best possible start in life. So join me as we delve into the fascinating world of seedlings and discover how, with a little patience and understanding, we can help these tiny wonders reach their full potential and reward us with a bountiful harvest. Our journey begins with the very building blocks of our garden, the seeds. Just as a mighty oak springs forth from a humble acorn, so too does a thriving plant depend on the quality of its seed. Choosing high-quality seeds from a reputable supplier is paramount. These seeds, often bred for specific characteristics like disease resistance or higher yields, give your seedlings a head start in life. Examine each seed carefully. Look for plumpness, uniformity, and a healthy color. Avoid any seeds that appear damaged, shriveled, or discolored, as these may harbor disease or lack the vitality to germinate successfully. Remember, a strong and healthy plant starts with a strong and healthy seed. With our seeds selected, we turn our attention to the next vital element, the soil. Just as a mother provides nourishment to her young, so too does the soil provide the essential nutrients and support that our seedlings need to thrive. Begin by enriching your soil with nutrient-rich compost. This organic matter acts as a natural fertilizer, providing a slow and steady release of essential elements. Ensure your soil has good drainage. Seedlings are particularly susceptible to wet feet, a condition where waterlogged soil suffocates the delicate roots. A well-draining soil allows for the right balance of moisture and air, promoting healthy root development and preventing fungal diseases. Water, the elixir of life, plays a crucial role in the development of our seedlings. Maintaining consistent moisture levels is key, but like many things in life, balance is essential. Water your seedlings regularly, ensuring the soil remains moist but not waterlogged. A good rule of thumb is to water deeply, allowing the water to penetrate the root zone, and then allow the surface to dry slightly before watering again. Overwatering can be just as detrimental as underwatering, leading to root rot and other fungal diseases. Observe your seedlings closely. Wilting leaves can indicate either too much or too little water. Feel the soil with your finger. If it feels dry to the touch, it's time to water. Light, that life-giving energy from the sun, is essential for photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light into energy for growth. Ensure your seedlings receive adequate light, whether it's natural sunlight streaming through a window or artificial light from grow lights. Place your seedlings in a south-facing window for optimal sunlight exposure. If using grow lights, position them a few inches above the seedlings and adjust the height as the plants grow. Observe your seedlings for signs of insufficient light, such as leggy growth, tall, thin stems reaching for light. Rotate your seedlings regularly to ensure even light distribution and prevent them from becoming lopsided as they grow towards the light source. As our seedlings grow, so too do their roots, reaching out in search of nutrients and anchoring the plant firmly in the soil. Using the right containers is crucial to accommodate this growth and allow for proper root development. Start your seedlings in small, individual pots or seed trays, gradually transplanting them into larger containers as they grow. Ensure your containers have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging and allow excess water to escape. Choose a container size appropriate for the mature size of the plant you're growing. For example, a small pot might suffice for herbs, while tomatoes require larger containers or even planting directly in the ground. Just like us, seedlings have their preferred temperature range for optimal growth. Most seedlings thrive in temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Maintain a consistent temperature, avoiding sudden fluctuations that can stress the seedlings. Use a thermometer to monitor the temperature around your seedlings, especially if they are in an area prone to drafts or temperature swings. If necessary, provide a heat source such as a heat mat specifically designed for seedlings to maintain the ideal temperature range. Remember, seedlings are particularly vulnerable to cold temperatures, so protect them from frost and cold drafts. As our seedlings grow, they may attract unwanted visitors, pests and diseases that can hinder their growth or even prove fatal. Practicing good pest control is essential to protect our vulnerable seedlings. Regularly inspect your seedlings for any signs of pests such as aphids, spider mites or whiteflies. Early detection is key to preventing infestations. Use organic pest control methods whenever possible, such as insecticidal soap or neem oil. Ensure good air circulation around your seedlings to prevent fungal diseases. Remove any diseased or infested plants immediately to prevent the problem from spreading. And so our journey through the delicate world of seedlings comes to an end. We've explored the fundamental elements that contribute to their success, from the quality of the seed to the importance of light, water, and temperature. Remember, tending to seedlings is a labor of love, requiring patience, observation, and a gentle touch. But the rewards are well worth the effort. As you watch your seedlings transform from fragile sprouts into robust, thriving plants, you'll experience the deep satisfaction of nurturing life from its very beginnings. Follow these tips and you'll be well on your way to a bountiful harvest. Happy gardening. As you venture forth into the rewarding world of gardening, remember that every seed holds the potential for something truly remarkable. With care, dedication, and a little help from nature, you can nurture these tiny beginnings into a flourishing testament to the joy of gardening.